Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Hopefully my audio is fine. I have a new setup and it should sound pretty clear. You shouldn't hear any kind of background noise. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing well. As always, thanks for coming back to the channel. I hope you are enjoying the content. Tonight we have a start of a series review from Graham's Beard Co. out of Indiana, Griffith, Indiana, I do believe. Indiana. Stay tuned after the intro and we'll get right into it. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. As always, thanks for the support. I appreciate it. I hope everybody had an awesome new year. Tonight I have a start of a series from a company out of Indiana called Graham's Beard Care. The owner's name is Shawn. I started talking to Shawn, I want to say about 3 weeks ago, maybe a little under a month. Started talking to him, really awesome guy, really has a passion for making products. Like most bearded guys wanting to start a company, he couldn't find products out there that best fit his beard, so he started making them. He's an entrepreneur. He has some pretty awesome products. He sent me quite a buku of his products. He's got what you call a 3-in-1 beard. Let me make sure I get this right. A beard grease oil. Now, yes, you heard me right. A beard grease oil. It's not a greasy product. It doesn't feel greasy. I'll go over here in a few minutes, but just because you hear the word grease, don't click off the video. I promise you, you're going to enjoy it. Tonight I'm just going to start out with a few of his products, and then I'll go on like any other series that I did before. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up at the end of the video if you like it. Graham's Beard Co. The products he used, the ingredients he uses is 500 milligrams full spectrum CBD in the products. And I can tell you, when I started using these, I felt the difference right away. I used the oil first. I think I used it for 2 days. And then I started adding more products in, the beard butter, the beard grease, the beard jam. He's got multiple products, and you guys are going to hear stuff in this video that you've never heard of. And I assure you, in my personal experience using these products, my beard has felt absolutely amazing using these products. I have the butter in tonight of the Burberry scent. That's what we're going to go over tonight. We'll start out with, I'll show you the bags that the products come in, and then we'll just go from there. When you order from Graham's Beard Care, you get these nice little burlap type bags, and I know we all have a ton of these. These are always nice to have. The first product we're going to go over is his beard oil, and as I said, this is a Burberry scent. It's a real sweet cologne-ish type scent. It's a thinner oil. I think I'm starting to like thinner oils because they just seem to coat my beard better, and there's a lot less residual. And one I want to note on this label, I told him to just go ahead and send whatever he had. I don't think the labels were quite ready, so this label is wrong on this because it says beard jam oil, but this is just the oil. The ingredients in the oil are coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, hemp seed oil, CBD oil, grapeseed oil. And as I stated, he uses the 500 milligram full spectrum CBD, and this just absolutely does wonders for my beard. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's a little bit on the thinner side. It's got a nice greenish tint to it. This feels absolutely amazing. I think this is actually the first product that I actually had full spectrum CBD ingredients in the product, and I think my beard fell in love instantly with it. It's just an amazing scent. Like I said, it's a sweet cologne type scent, one that there's a few Burberrys out there, and I believe he told me he made this custom scent, so it's like a completely different Burberry from all the other ones, I'm assuming. This is my first scent that's called Burberry, and it's like a real sweet cologne type, and it's just a really good scented oil. And I believe this one's called Spider Venom. Yes, this is called Spider Venom. The next product we're going to go over is his beard butter. He has a poured butter and he has a whipped butter, and I actually have both. It's funny because you can tell which is whipped and which is poured. This one is the poured because it's a lot heavier. This one is the whipped. I'll go ahead and show you the poured butter first. And again, this is the Burberry scent. There we go. And the ingredients in his butters are shea butter, mango butter, jojoba oil, argan oil, hemp seed oil, CBD oil, and grapeseed oil. The consistencies are definitely different. As I stated, this is a poured butter, and as you can tell, it's buttery smooth, buttery soft. It has a slight tack to it. I'm not going to put any in right now, but I will show you the consistency of it. It's a real nice consistency. It breaks down rather nice, and like I said, it does have a little tack to it, but after you apply it to the beard, the tack goes away and your beard like magically turns soft. It's like really amazing to me that I've been doing reviews this long and I've never actually tried the full spectrum CBD in a beard product. It blows my mind because my beard reacted very well to it, and it's just amazingly soft. And that was the poured beard butter. The whipped beard butter, I believe this is his first attempt. I'm not quite sure, but again, it's the same name, the Spider Venom, and it's a nice, like a sandalwoodish type, cologne type sweet scented, if that's what you want to say. I know I'm using words that I haven't used in a while. And this, like I said, is a whipped butter, and the difference is this is so much softer, and it's just, oh man, that is so nice. This is a lot softer than the regular beard butter. In beard, this is a lot lighter and breaks down a lot quicker. This has no tack to it. My beard instantly engulfs this butter, the whipped butter. I'm a whipped butter kind of guy, so I really like the whipped butter. Again, it just feels amazing in beard. I love the scent. This is the first time I've smelled Burberry, and it's a really nice sweet cologne. And this one, this is kind of cool because this is a beard jam oil, and this is a 2-in-1. And the way you apply these products is tip to root. The beard jam oil has, I believe, beard oil and beard butter. The beard jam has the beard oil and beard butter ingredients. Basically, it's oil and butter combined. And as you guys remember, I'm in my studio. I keep it nice and cool in here. Normally, this product would be like a nice, if it was warmed up to like room temperature, it would be a nice silky smooth consistency. But unfortunately, my room is nice and cold. I'll just go ahead and squeeze the bottle to kind of show you guys. Whoa, too much. Kind of show you guys the consistency. Break a little piece off. Break a little piece off. And the consistency of this is, it's almost a little bit like almost like a lotion, but it breaks down super smooth and super nice. And it's buttery smooth, as cool as it is in here, and as thick as it is. It breaks down really nice. I'm gonna actually throw some on my beard. And that Burberry, man, that's so good. And I believe there's like a sandalwood vanilla in this, but it's really good stuff. It's a beard jam oil. It's oil and butter mix. I hope I got that right. The ingredients in this are shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, hemp seed oil, CBD oil, grapeseed oil, and pure just goodness. And I don't think anybody else has this sort of product. And if I do, please leave in the comment section below. Let me know. This stuff works great. You can use this alone. You can use this with the oil. I used it with the oil, but you don't need to. This is just perfect as it is. Really good stuff. And last but certainly not least, his beard grease oil. Now remember, just because it has grease in the name doesn't mean it's bad for your beard. This stuff is absolutely phenomenal. This is probably by far one of my most favorite parts already going into 2021. This is a 3-in-1. It's got the oil in it, it's got the butter in it, and it's got balm in it. So it's got a little bit of beeswax in it. The ingredients are shea butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, hemp seed oil, CBD oil, grapeseed oil, and beeswax. And all you need is a small amount of this stuff. And again, like the jam, it's a little cool in here. The consistency of this is a little thickened up, but these tops, I like the bullet style. And this is smoked out. I'll tell you about the scent here in a minute. This is called smoked out. And it's got the little bullet top. And basically with this, I know he was having, he told me about guys having trouble that had these with the tops not seeming to work. If it is thickened up, like right now, this wouldn't work because it is thick. If I warm this up, the pump will actually work, and it works really good. All you gotta do is basically hold the top of this and just twist it like that, and that's it. And it'll come out. Let me see if it'll come out now. Hopefully it will, so I'll show you guys. Oh, I closed it. Open it back up. And there you go. See the consistency? And this stuff is, look at that. It is really, really cool in my room. And for that to do that is just 1, 2. No, I didn't do that very good, but it's just this stuff. It's got a tack to it, but it amazingly keeps your beard flyaways down, keeps your beard shaped well as it softens it. I know it's kind of hard to explain, but like this stuff is next level. This is called smoked out, and it's a nice smoky type cologne. And that it's just that cologne-y, man. That smokiness level to this is awesome. Like I've never smelled anything like this. And being a fireman, I like smoky stuff, smoky smells, except for wood burning, of course. This stuff is next level, and I believe everybody should try this. This is beard grease oil, and it is non-greasy. If you pump 3 or 4 pumps into your palm and apply it to your beard, it's going to be greasy. That's just common sense. That you don't need that much unless you're like Sasquatch hairy, and to each his own. If you're that hairy, hey, this stuff's good. but for real, like a pea-size amount of this stuff will go a long way in your beard. It'll make it soft, keep your flyaways tamed. I know I just said it 3 or 4 times, but this is next level stuff, guys. I'll leave all the links in the description below. He's got a buku of products to offer. His prices, I'll leave his prices somewhere on the screen. His name is Shawn, really awesome guy. 500 milligram full spectrum CBD ingredients in his products. I've had nothing but awesome experiences with him, with his products. The beard butter, I haven't used his balm. I'm not usually a balm guy, but his butter, awesome. His whipped butter, I love it. His beard jam oil works very good, and his beard grease oil, amazing, next level. Get over to Graham's Beard Care and grab you some of this stuff up. Everything will be in the links below, guys. It's a little bit lengthy video, but this is number 1 of, I'm going to say 3, maybe 4 videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Show me some love. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. Until the next review, guys. Peace.